What's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to delete a page on your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here and you can see all the websites that you have on Squarespace. So as you can see, we currently have only one website and this is the website we'll be using for today's video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the website in the page by clicking the website right here in your dashboard. And now as you can see here guys, now this will open up our website, and as you can see at the left side of the screen there are a couple of options that you can use for editing your website, such as pages, design, commerce, marketing, and so on. What we want to do guys, if we want to delete the page, we want to go ahead and enter this first option right here called pages. So guys, go ahead and click on pages, and now guys, after clicking on pages, you can see that here we can see all the pages that we have on our Squarespace website. So guys, you can see we currently have video, store, tutorials, and so on. Let's say we want to delete this page right here called video. As you can see here guys, there is a left side of the page that shows a recycling bin. You want to just click this trash can right here and this will delete any page you want. So guys, let's go ahead and click on trash can on next to one of our pages. It will just give us a prompt that we want to confirm that we want to delete our page. Go ahead and click on confirm guys, and now as you can see guys, now this page no longer exists on our website and we have successfully deleted it. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.